Go ahead and represent the number 24.
2 tens and 4 ones.
Okay. And then for this mat here, go ahead and represent the number 42.
4. 42.
All right, so what we're going to do now is let's take a look at these two numbers and see what we find out and learn about these numbers. We'll start with this number here. What can you tell me about this number?
That there's 4 tens and there's 2 ones.
So you have 4 groups of 10s and 2 groups of 1?
Yeah.
Or 1 group of 2? All right, how much do you have altogether?
It is 42.
You have 42 altogether. Okay, let's take a look at that one. What can you tell me about that number?
That has 2 tens and 4 ones.
So you have 2 groups of 10 and 4 groups of 1? All right, so now we're going to go ahead and what if you had to compare these two numbers? What can you tell me about this number? How is it different from that number?
Because it has 4 tens and this one has 2 tens.
So which number is greater?
Greater. What is greater?
Ah, okay. Which one do you have more of? Why? Why is this number greater than that number?
Because it has more tens and this one has less tens.
Ah, and how many do you have here again?
4.
Altogether, how many do you have here?
42.
42. And how many do you have over there?
24.
24. Now, what if we had to compare the two numbers? What does that mean, compare?
Like see if I'm like yes.
Okay, so we're going to go ahead and gather information about each number and then make a decision based on that, right?
Okay.
So why don't we go with which one of these numbers is greater? Now, you said 42 is greater. Do you agree? Okay. Now, 42 is greater than what?
24.
Is that true? Nice.
And it's separated because there's 4 ones and there's 4 tens and there's 2 ones and there's 2 tens.
Ah, so you have the same digits, but they're in a different place value.
Yeah.
Very good, very good. Now, what if I said to you that there's a way to represent greater than, the words greater than, using a symbol?
Okay.
Have you ever heard about that before?
Maybe.
Maybe? Maybe you think you've heard about that before? Okay, let me show you this. We're going to use these 2 craft sticks, okay? Now, let's go over what you said again. You said that this number, and give me this number again.
4. 42.
42 is what?
Greater than 24.
Okay, so you're saying 42 is greater than
24.
24. Okay, so look at this symbol. Tell me if you've seen this symbol before. Have you seen that before? You have? In first grade you saw this? What do you know about this symbol?
It's showing that this is greater and this is less.
And how do you know that?
Because when this is facing away from that, I know this is greater, and it's showing you that this is greater.
Oh, okay, so what if I did this? What if I did this? Now tell me if it's the same. Now, what if we are comparing this number? What is this number again?
24.
And then what is that number again?
42.
Ooh, so we have 42 altogether there, and we have 24 here. What would the symbol look like then? You want to give it a try? All right, go ahead, give it a try. Let's read that now. What do you have here?
24.
24 is?
Is it great? It looks like it's, less.
Yeah, less than?
42.
And is that true? Is the quantity 24 less than 42? Did you enjoy this activity? Would you like to do it again sometime? Good job. job.